Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty in the Garden. I'm T. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be planting up my bunching onions. Now if you want to know how to go ahead and plant your bunching onions from seeds, I'm going to put that in the description box below because I did show you guys in a previous video on how to start your bunching onions. So right here is a little trough that I'm making. Right here. I'm just going to actually pop my bunching onions in a cluster in places in the garden, but I figure I kind of like this little spot right here that I'm going to break them up this time. I'm going to break them up like I did with the ones up front. Okay, so here's the bunching onion right here. Can you guys see that? So I'm going to take it and slowly break them apart. So here is the bunching onion. Now if I ended up with extras, I might just pop them some random place. But as of right now, I'm just going to go ahead and plant this spot right here. Let's see how many I end up with. I mean, nice starts. Look at that root system, you guys. See that root system? It's beautiful. Okay, so we got like 4 of them here. You guys can see. Okay. So I really am not going to space them out too far because I kind of just want them to have this one spot because I really was just like, I like the small petite onions anyways. And up front they are nice and big now, so the small little petite ones, I'm gonna really love these too. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is, because I use this bed for my melons, I'm gonna add a little fertilizer to the soil. So here's the Job's Organic, and I'm just gonna sprinkle this Job's Organic into this trough. And then I'm just going to take my hands and I'm going to work it into the soil. Just like this. But you guys, check out the HISEA brand. Now, I wanted to wear the HISEA brand for a week because I normally, like I told you guys, I worry about this part ripping. And they sent me another brand. So I wore these, you guys, for a week to do this review just on the higher boots. Okay, these higher boots actually held up very well. I think because the material is not that hard plastic like the rain boots that are that hard plastic and they crack and rip. If you can see here, these are actually bending. See that? Can you guys see? It's a softer material, so it's just bending with me right now. So I really like that. So I told myself, so you see them here, right? Can you guys see them? They're nice, right? Can you see that? They bend really well, okay? The fabric, the material is built really good. So I'm going to give you guys another review in about a week because I'm going to wear these to see if they're going to hold up. Now I had rain boots and you guys, like I told you guys, they rip. Do you hear me? The hard plastic or whatever, the rain boots, they rip. And so far so good with these. So I will give you guys an updated review on these boots. So I'm gonna wear them for 2 weeks straight. I'm on week 1 and so far so good. So I will be giving you guys a coupon code if you're interested in these, but give me 1 more week to give you an honest review on these boots. Now we on week 1, which you guys can see I have worn them and I have seen that the material itself has been holding up really well. But let's go ahead, you guys, back into planting our bunching onions. I have here the Job's Organic bone meal. I love using this for all of my bulbs, all my alliums, even as well my tulips and things like that. So this is great for your budding plants, okay? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sprinkle a handful into this trough. Give it a good stir. Make sure the soil nice and loose, okay? You want those roots to get down in there, okay? So we're gonna make sure we work this in here. Watch a great deal of my videos with planting of my garlic bulbs. You will see that I do the same exact thing. The only thing I didn't do that I normally don't do is put in the Job's organic, but I definitely always put in the bone meal. So I'm working that in there really good. Now this is in front of my broccoli. Okay, so I'll make that trough back, and I'm just going to pop in that onion right up to here. And I'm only going to do roughly 4 inches apart. My mom's gonna get me, you guys. I do not have my knee pads on. So we just take them apart. Take your time. No need to rush. And like I said, these are bunching onions. So you can plant them pretty close together. Went ahead and planted up the bunching onions, and I still have a little bit left. I'm just gonna pop them somewhere. You guys, I have a ton of leeks, you guys. I overdid it, so I will be mailing some to my mother because I overdid it. I'm gonna show you real fast, you guys. So look at all the leeks, you guys. That's a ton of leeks, you guys, right here. It's just a massive amount. So I'm probably just need this much, but I went overboard. I went way overboard, but we'll be planting them up tomorrow morning. Okay, so the last thing but not least is to water them in. Now, you know, I like to use rainwater as much as possible, so that's what I'm going to be using. I'm not going to fertilize them with the fish emulsion, but I'm just going to water them in with some rainwater. Okay, you guys, we're at the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed the content. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do upload a video. I always tell you guys, remember, there's beauty in everyone's garden. And bye-bye.